7 Online Businesses to Make Money Online. The internet has made it easy to create a business. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am up with a most interesting video. So stay tuned. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it now. Also, click the bell icon so you will never miss any updates. Here are some top 7 online business ideas that are going to fill up your pocket this year. So let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. Do you have a particular skill set? Is there something you can do that clients would pay money for? There is currently a huge demand for freelancers. In a recent survey by People Per Hour, 60% of businesses who replied said they plan to use freelancers more this year. Freelance writing, graphic design, data entry, digital marketing, website development etc. are some most demanded freelancing services. They are a direct trade of time for money. You can make good money with a small selection of high-paying clients. Number 2. Social media marketing. If you've got a technique for getting likes, favorites, retweets, followers, shares, comments, and clicks, then you might want to consider a career in social media marketing. You can consult with companies to operate their social media profiles, spread their content across the web, keep their brands on a path, and respond to client questions. You can turn your favorite hobby into your day job. Facebook and Twitter are still the leading business networks, but businesses often tend to struggle with more visual platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Snapchat. All of these platforms have large consumer audiences. If you have a background in social media marketing and an affection for photography, focusing your consulting business on one specific platform, like Instagram, can be a great way to make money while supporting other businesses to improve their content and achieve their business goals. Number 3. Web designer or web developer. The standard salary of a freelance web developer is approximately $70,863 per year. As the business of digital designers and web developers is projected to grow by 13% between 2020 to 2030. If you have slight to no experience in this field, you can learn the basics of web design and master the tools you'll need for success, like Adobe XD, Chrome DevTools, and text editor software. Build a comprehensive portfolio, and then build your own website to show it off and attract a steady stream of clients. Number 4. Start a YouTube channel. Ever thought of becoming a YouTube star? Micro-celebrities like 10-year-old Ryan Kaji are making more than $29 million per year on YouTube selling toys. Another chief earner on YouTube is David Dobrik, who makes about $15.5 million amusing his audience with comical videos. You make money with ad revenue. Your first step is to build a YouTube account and start uploading videos. Then you enable monetization on your YouTube settings. Basically, this gives Google the go-ahead to involve short AdSense ads with your videos, which you've seen if you've watched a YouTube video. When viewers click on those ads, you get paid. Another opportunity to make money with a YouTube channel is through paid sponsorships. Build a vast enough following and companies will be more than happy to pay you to promote or mention their products and services in your videos. Number 5. Do voiceover work. Performing voiceover work is an outstanding way to quickly make money online. Most voiceover jobs are project-based, so long-term commitment isn't needed. Best of all, companies are always looking for new voiceover talent. Audiobooks are the best option. Help bring a story to life by lending your voice to children's storybooks, novels, and everything in between. Advertisements and commercials, trailers, and demonstration videos are some more options by which you can make a huge amount. The amount you earn from doing voiceover projects relies on your experience, the project type, and the script length. For example, the average salary of a voiceover artist doing small to medium projects in the United States is about $40.11 per recording hour. On the other hand, audiobook voice talents can earn up to $125 per recording hour and $500 per finished hour. Number 6. Editing. Editing comes in many shapes and sizes, from copy editing a company's marketing materials to proofreading novels to indexing academic manuscripts. As long as you've got a sharp eye for detail, a strong understanding of grammar, and a willingness to get in the weeds, then editing could be a great business idea if you're interested in working when and how you want. And last but not least, number 7. Affiliate marketing. You know this one already. You put in links to products you are promoting as an affiliate, and every time somebody buys the product, you get a commission. With a blog, you can put together advertising with content to make it even more likely you'll get the sale. For example, you could do a product review, which is useful content, and then add a link to buy the product under an affiliate link. If you have a personal website or social media presence with a large following, affiliate programs may be a profitable strategy for you. PR reps are always seeking out brand advocates and influencers. They can send free samples to you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns related to this video, comment below now. And give this video a big thumbs up. See you in the next video. Goodbye.